Okay, so we're getting to this Parshat Miketz this week, and Miketz generally falls out around the time of Chanukah, and the rabbis argue about whether you light the candles going from 1 to 8 or 8 to 1. And one of the concepts about going and increasing is the idea that the shamash is Hashem, and you start with just you as the first candle and God, and you build up every day, attracting one more person into your orbit. So it's an increasing thing, so that, and the idea of the 8 is that 8 is the supernatural number in Judaism, because 7 is nature and 8 is the 8th day, like on the bris, and so the whole experience is supposed to have the supernatural effect on us. And that's really what's going on in the whole parsha of the whole book of Breshit. Is it's setting up this idea of what does God want from us? Two things. One, we're supposed to tend the garden, and the other is supposed to have this relationship with God. And it's setting it up through this family, and at which point in Shemot we start becoming a nation. Now, the beginning of Parshat Miketz is a very big signpost of this whole idea, because it says, "Vayhi Miketz Shnatayim Yamim," and it was at the end of 2 years. Paro had a dream. V'nei omed al hayor, and he stood by the river. The river is like the biggest thing in Mitzrayim, because they dug all these aqueducts and channels from the river, because that controlled everything. And so Paro is standing over the river because he's in charge of everything. That's what he thinks. And the entire book of Breshit is coming to teach us that Paro is not in charge of everything. And the first thing that Yosef's going to talk to him is say the dreams are responsive, or God is in charge of all the time. So as we get into the Chanukah season in the next couple of days, remember as you light your shamash that's where it all starts. Is God is that one before all of everyone. So have a great week and an exciting Chanukah.